Looking for the best Singer sewing machine? Singer offers a wide range of reliable machines for beginners, hobbyists, and advanced sewists. Whether you need simple stitching, heavy-duty performance, or computerized features, the right Singer sewing machine can make sewing projects easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Starting at number 1, Singer R Heavy-Duty 452. The Singer sewing machine, available in a sleek gray color, is designed with enhanced piercing power thanks to its stronger motor, allowing it to sew through multiple layers and thicker fabrics with ease. It features 32 built-in stitches that enable 110 stitch applications, providing versatility for various sewing projects including basic, stretch, and decorative stitches, as well as a convenient one-step buttonhole. The all-in-one accessory kit includes essential tools such as a walking foot, non-stick foot, heavy-duty needles, and more, ensuring smooth sewing on both basic and heavy fabrics. Additionally, the top drop-in bobbin with a clear view cover allows users to easily monitor thread supply, making it simple to wind and insert the bobbin. Number 2. Singer Quantum Stylist 996E. The Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 is a versatile sewing machine that boasts an impressive array of features, including 600 built-in stitches and 1,172 stitch applications, which encompass essential, stretch, and decorative stitches. This allows users to utilize mirror imaging and stitch elongation for creating unique designs suitable for quilting, fashion sewing, home decor, and crafts, adding a personalized and professional touch to their projects. The machine comes in a sleek white color and is constructed from metal and plastic, measuring 6.25 inches in depth, 15 inches in width, and 12 inches in height, with a weight of 14.6 pounds. It operates on a corded electric power source and includes a variety of accessories such as 13 presser feet, including general purpose, zipper, and buttonhole feet. Additional tools like a quilting bar, needles, bobbins, and a hard dust cover. Number 3. Singer Start 1304 Sewing Machine. The Singer Start 1304 sewing machine is a user-friendly and efficient option for both beginners and experienced sewers, featuring 57 stitch applications with preset stitch width and length for easy selection. Weighing only 7 pounds, this lightweight and portable machine is perfect for use in smaller spaces or for taking to sewing classes. It boasts an automatic bobbin winding feature, allowing users to wind a bobbin effortlessly by following a simple numbered diagram, with the machine automatically stopping when the bobbin is full. The Singer Start 1304 also comes with a variety of accessories, including an all-purpose foot, zipper foot, buttonhole foot, darning plate, pack of needles, and bobbins, making it a comprehensive choice for various sewing projects. With a durable construction of metal and plastic, this corded electric machine has dimensions of 7-inch DX13, DX2011 5H, and weighs 5.5 kilograms, ensuring both stability and ease of use. Number 4. Singer 3232 Sewing Machine. The Singer 3232 is a portable sewing machine designed for both beginners and experienced sewers, featuring a sleek white metal construction and dimensions of 7.5 D x 15 W x 12 H, weighing 12.6 pounds. This corded electric machine boasts 110 stitch applications, a built-in one-step buttonhole, and an automatic needle threader that simplifies the threading process, allowing users to thread the machine from the spool to the needle's eye in seconds. With a maximum sewing speed of 750 stitches per minute, it is capable of handling larger projects efficiently. Additionally, the high-presser foot lifter enables sewing through multiple layers of thick fabric, making it an excellent choice for a variety of creative projects. Number 5. Singer Tradition 2277 Sewing Machine. The Singer Tradition 2277 is a versatile sewing machine that comes in a sleek white design and is made from metal and plastic. With product dimensions of 6.25 DX15 WX12 H and a weight of 13.6 pounds, it operates on a corded electric power source. This machine features 23 built-in stitches, encompassing essential, decorative, and stretch options, making it suitable for a wide array of sewing projects from home decor to garments. One of its standout features is the automatic needle threader, which simplifies setup by allowing users to thread the needle effortlessly, significantly reducing preparation time and frustration, ideal for both beginners and experienced sewists. Additionally, the adjustable stitch length and width settings enable customization for different fabrics, ensuring stronger seams and preventing fabric bunching for professional quality results.